So we're playing your favorite game, and in this video, we'll be speeding up Windows 11 and optimizing it for gaming and productivity. So let's get started. First, we are going to be using the Disk Cleanup tool to clear up all the unwanted files. You can do this by pressing Windows plus R, typing in cleanmgr, and pressing enter. Now, select the C drive, click OK, select all the checkboxes, click Clean System Files, select the C drive, click OK, select all the checkboxes, click OK, and finally, click Delete Files. Next up, open up the settings, go to Personalization, and Device Usage. Now here, turn on Creativity and Gaming. Now it's time to upload Windows 11. This can be done by copying the command from the description box below, opening up PowerShell as admin, and pasting the command, and pressing enter. Now, Windows will automatically remove all the bloatware from your PC. Now, disable the Xbox Game Bar by going to Settings, Gaming, Xbox Game Bar, and turning this option off. Now what we've done is enough. But if you want to spice it up even more, you can go to your search menu, search for Appearance, click this result, click Adjust for Performance, and just turn on this option. Because if you turn it off, the text becomes almost unreadable. Now, click OK, and you're done. Now you'll notice that everything is pretty snappy with no animations whatsoever. Sorry guys, I hope this video helped you to optimize your PC for productivity and gaming. So if you liked the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel by clicking here. Or watch the video where I tell you guys what to do after buying a new laptop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye!